On devices running Origin OS 6 or later, you can transform your lock screen into a spiritual animation cloth using flip cards. Here is how. Go to Settings. Choose Home Screen, Lock Screen, Wallpaper. Then tap Themes. Select the theme template you need in the flip cards category, such as the template of mountain. Then tap Download. After the download is completed, tap Customize to modify the clock style and add widgets. You can tap Gallery Effect to add photos or videos. Tap Transition to choose the transition effect. After the setting is completed, you can tap the preview icon to start experiencing the flip cards effect. If you need to change the picture or transition effect, you can modify it according to the previous steps. After finishing, tap the checkmark icon to apply.